kushohoza ebirugire ombigeze ombutongore omurambuzi mukuru w'amashomero ahabwa district ya Kabale Wilberforce Nabasa yagira ngo ebigezo bikakoraje tibaratungira shonga yona eyo kopa ebigezo ngo konka batangire okushanga ngo ebyarugiro mbigezo ebyabeji abakwingana 35 bari kuruga ishomero rimwe Ebikwasirwe.
We had not reported any cases of malpractice, but at the release of these results, the results of 35 candidates belonging to Shabu Primary School were withheld on suspicion of some malpractice case.
Nabasa nagira nkubahirize kukimanya bakagezaho okoratire shonga kandi abakuru okuruga omuyunebu bagizire ngo eshaha yona nibaza kweta abukikwasireho kweshoboreraho.
There were some suspected cases of malpractice, which at a later time the concerned parties will be called to clear the air and then results be released.
Nabasa yachurura ngo mwahugwe 2025 nga Kabale district tekozire kurungi wagerageranisa n'emyaka yenyuma.
2025 performance has slightly declined compared to the previous year of 2024 because in 2024 our pass rate was at 95.4% and this year's pass rate is standing at 92.4%.
We oli mukuru w'ebyamashomero ahabwa district eya Kabale Moses Twimijuke yajumirira umucwe gw'abashomesa n'abakuru b'amashomero okushanga ngo nibeti hamare kirengere.
They cannot what? They cannot work. They cannot teach. Ngana ti washa uri hedition kunjoro kugambira gihu now. This teacher is a drunkard. I don't want. Now where do you want me to take him? Do we have schools which need drunkards?
Bwenje yagaruka yagira ngo hakiriho n'abakuru b'amashomero abinji abari kwanga okwerezayo enkozesa ya sente eziri kubahebwa government.
The teachers about accountability of UP funds. I will tell you this, even mention some of those names, just for you to avoid such.
Mukuru w'abakozi Robert Mugabe yatandika orubazo rwe ari kutongana n'abashomesa abari kujara kubi na mnonga amu mashomero bari kushwaza government.
What separates you from a manager of a government school and a drunkard, a bartender? And then you go bragging that I'm a government employee. At that level, government entrusted you to supervise others.
Robert Mugabe yayoreka okushasha okushanga Kabale nemwe mu district eyabandize kandi bwahati eriyo oryo mu mwanya gwa nshanju na mushanju omwihanga ngukando mwana wo kubanza akozire obonero 8.
Entities. We are saying we should always not exceed the 10th in whatever assessment. Are you getting me? This is where to go. Kabale is a model district, must be a model district. There is no shortcut.
Okurigirira aha murambuzi mukuru w'amashomero ahabwa district ya Kabale nagira ngo abeji abari kwingana 13 bina nkaga na mushanju nibo bashitamire bigezo 2019 bashyikiro mu idara ryo kubanza abeji abari kwingana 138 bashyikiro mu idara rya kabiri abeji rushanju na bashatu bashyikiro mu idara rya kashatu rero abeji abari kwingana 58 bakahandikwa konka tibabasa gukora ebigezo kandi abeji abari kwingana 26 nibo bagwire bakahisiya henkomo gasha kwa Jime Emmanuel ahabwa Tayaro West.
You don't take your advantage. We won't count failures on you.